Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert an arrow to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so you can insert arrows, lines, drawings into a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and here's how to do it. So all you have to do is go to a sheet you want to insert the arrow to. So for instance, we have this sheet 27 in the project management sheet, and what we have to do is click on insert here in the menu bar, and you're gonna see drawing. So click on that, and then we can insert or add two types of arrows to a spreadsheet. The first one is this line arrow, like this one. You can change the color, the end of the arrow, the beginning of the arrow. You can change the line type. You can increase the line weight to something you prefer, or you can add this kind of shape like arrows like we did. As you can see, you have many options here. And once you edit your rows, just click on save, and then the arrows have been inserted here, and you can change their position, or you can assign a script, an alt text, or edit the arrows if you want to do that. But all in all, this is how you can insert arrows to Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.